Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got some freebies for you all to check out. They're going to be on the homepage of the Gear Manager store, so don't miss out on these awesome watch faces. Now, we're going to start off with Sam's watch. This one is called Point Color 2. Very nice. I love an analog look with a digital time blended in with this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same design, the same look. And when the watch face is on, I like this. You got analog in the background. You got your analog theme going around the bezel of the watch. You got your digital time right up front. So for a casual day, this is going to be an awesome watch face to have on your wrist. You're going to get, of course, your month, your day of the week, your date. You're going to get a moon phase to the right, your weeks into the year to the left. Down at the bottom, you will get all your step status info from calories burned, your steps, heart rate information, and your battery. So I thought this was a good look. I thought it was worthy of a review. But the question is, at the end of the day, what do you think? Now, you can also customize the color theme of the watch face, and you get plenty to choose from depending on what you're wearing or depending on what's your favorite color. You can go through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer, and when you find your color, play it. All right, with that being said, people, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one also is by Sam's Watch. Matter of fact, every watch face is by Sam's Watch, right? But Sam, I'm telling you, this guy has been doing this thing. I have not seen this in the Gear Manager store. Now, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Analogue Zeta. I like the name of this watch face. In the AOD mode, I really love the look of this. I love the color. I wish this was an actual watch face that I can customize the color theme depending on what it is I was geared up for that day. This looks awesome. Now, when the watch face is on, you are going to get Roman numeral for your numbers. You're going to get a nice premium style hands for your analog, and you get a nice smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. But dead center, people, dead center is going to be a moon phase that I thought was awesome and definitely unique. Now, I don't know if the moon phase is going to be in real time, but it looks good. Now, I do not know what that is. Please do not ask me. I do not know. It is not your battery percentage. I can tell you that much. But if you look to the right, you will get your traditional date and day of the week as well. So I thought this was a good look from Sam. Sam, 3 thumbs up in the door for this awesome watch face. All right, you all, that's not it. Let's go ahead. Let's customize the color theme. If I could tap on it. And you got like 8 different colors that you can change this to. That's a daytime watch face look. Looks nice. Now you can see the hands clearly now. Looks very unique. And I thought Sam really got down on this. What do you think, people? All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's check out watch 3. It's called Simple B Steps. This one's nice, a casual, simple digital watch face. In the AOD mode, you're going to get it in this black and white thing, big bold numbers, just like you get when the watch face is on. Very nice. You're going to get your date information, the day of the week at the top. Again, big bold digital time. All the watch faces are going to be 12 and 24 hours. Now, down at the bottom, you will get your step information. You will get your heart rate information and also information on miles walked around. And this is nice. This is a nice look for casual wear. Let's check out, last but not least, watch face number 4. Number 4 is nice. It's called Analog Digital Kai. In the AOD mode, I do like this look in the black and white theme. You're going to get the same design, same look. Now, when the watch face is on, what really brings this watch all together is the index. I love the way it's highlighted in white to bring out that black, and the black background really complements the index as well. So does the hands. I like the way it's lit up at the tip. My man did a great job on this watch face. Now, you're going to get a few dials. The one to the left is going to give you your step info. Also, it's going to give you your goal completed that's going around the info. And also, to your right, you're going to get your date and also the day of the week. And the day of the week is going to be lit up, which I thought was pretty cool. And down at the bottom, you will get your moon phase, which looks totally awesome. And flanked on both sides, you're going to get calories burned and also your heart rate. And you can customize the color theme by tapping it, double tap. And it'll cycle through many different colors that this watch face has to offer. And I thought it looked pretty nice. What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.